Hello everyone, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Creative by Fabi. Today I have a quick and easy centerpiece for fall. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to be using stuff that I already have in home and couple flowers from dollar store, and that's all. So first I wanna start mentioning the boxes that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. There are previous DIYs on this channel. So if you haven't seen those videos, I will link on the description below the link and you can go check it out. So first what I did was just place couple floral foam, and then I will be placing couple neutral color flowers that I found in the dollar store and other ones that I already had it for last year. And so everything I'm going to be needing is only a scissors, and I'm not going to be gluing anything because I like to repurpose my DIYs when when the scissors are done and just use it again. So as you can see, I've been using those floral foam for a while. So after I place it, and then I use some Spanish moss just to cover the bright green color in there. And then previous I cut all the flowers from the bushes. Then that is the way how I display the flowers to make it look even. So first I start with the edges. I place it 2 and 3, then I place 3 or 4 on the center of my box, always using the big flowers that I have. And then I'm going to start using it just like 2 on both sides to make it look even until I finish the big flowers. And just as you can see, they are all displaced almost even, and then I start to fill out the spaces with the small flowers, just like so. So I always do it in order, depend how many flowers I have, I use it in order. So you can see I use the white ones and then the green ones, and now I'm going to use those earbird, I think they call. So I got those from Walmart a while ago. I paid like 95 cents, just like so. And then I added another small little flowers that I have around just to fill it up the spaces on the box. So then what I did was trying to see if I can add a little bit of color on it and to see if I like it, but at the end I didn't like it. So but I really want to add some pumpkins, so I went to dollar store. I didn't find the pumpkins that I was looking for, so I found those Halloween pumpkins. So what I did was just give it some paint on it and let it dry, and then I just placed it on the box, and then I think it came out really nice, give you a beautiful fall touch. And oh my goodness, I was so happy with the result of this centerpiece. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and like I always say, thank you so much for your continued support. And if you haven't subscribed already and you want to be part of this family, please hit the red button and also the bell, and you will notify every time I upload video. So see you guys next time. Ciao ciao.